Previously, we touched upon design tips for senior citizens, and in this video, we are exploring more things we need to consider while designing for older adults. Creating digital experiences for senior citizens is becoming increasingly relevant. Since more countries are faced with an aging population, in addition to visual and hearing impairment, many senior citizens have issues with memory and concentration. Their speed to process information slows with age. So does their ability to remember things. Designers are advised to employ progressive disclosure and minimalistic design, as both methods can significantly improve usability for our senior citizens. Also, researchers found that senior citizens are more likely to use the help section of the app because of their lack of confidence in digital products. Try to include helpful images, animations, and videos that can help alleviate the insecurity of older adults in terms of copywriting. Try to incorporate simple languages instead of complicated ones. Condescending ways of expression can intimidate senior citizens, and they may just give up using your product altogether. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You're watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.